Have you ever pondered how Netflix seems to know exactly what movie you'd enjoy next? Or how your email filters out spam before you even see it? The answer to these mysteries lies in the intriguing world of machine learning. Picture this: you're teaching a child how to identify an apple. You show them different types of apples, talk about the color, the shape, and maybe even the taste. You don't provide a detailed blueprint of an apple, but just enough information for them to pick out an apple from a basket of assorted fruits. This, in essence, is what machine learning is all about. Machine learning, in the most basic terms, is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data, much like how humans learn from experience. It's about teaching computers to recognize patterns and make decisions, all without explicit programming. So how does it work? Well, imagine feeding a computer thousands of pictures of apples and not apples. Over time, the computer begins to recognize patterns and features that make an apple, well, an apple. It might recognize that apples are round, come in shades of red, green, or yellow, and have a particular kind of stem. The next time it sees an image, it uses these learned patterns to decide if it's looking at an apple or not. This principle extends to more complex scenarios too. From recognizing speech patterns to predicting weather, from recommending movies to diagnosing diseases, machine learning algorithms are working behind the scenes, making our lives easier and more efficient. But machine learning isn't just about recognizing patterns. It also involves reinforcement learning, where a computer learns from its mistakes. Think of it as a game of chess. The computer makes a move, sees the outcome, and learns whether it was a good move or not. Over time, it gets better at the game, learning from each move it makes. Machine learning also involves unsupervised learning, where a computer sifts through heaps of data and identifies previously unseen patterns. This is like turning a computer loose in a library and allowing it to find connections between books that humans might not see. In summary, machine learning is a fascinating field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and experience, much like how we humans learn from our surroundings. It's not just about recognizing apples or playing chess, it's about creating systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions, enhancing efficiency and productivity in various fields. From personalized movie recommendations to advanced medical diagnostics, from predictive text on your smartphone to self-driving cars, machine learning is revolutionizing the world around us, one algorithm at a time. The future of machine learning is bright and holds immense potential. The question is, are we ready to embrace it?